Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my morning video for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my Discord channel. It is 100% free to join, linked at the end of this video in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So, anyways, not really a whole lot of an effect from last night's FOMC federal funds rate to interest rate news for the US. I mean, it did cause a pretty impulsive move up, but it kind of recovered from that, and it's actually all the way back to where the move started before the news came out. So, not really a whole lot of an effect. For me, the trend is definitely still up on the higher time frames. I mean, yes, it is drifting down, but the trend is 100% up, and I still think there's a very good likelihood they will go to 78% and most likely a lot further than that. So I'm definitely still very bullish the dollar pairs. Now, if you zoom out a little bit, there is a chance that this is going to be like either an expanding or a running ABC. Like this is an A, this is a B, and we're in a wave C. If it's a running ABC, then it would make a higher low up in this area, probably to 78% or something, and then it would end up continuing the uptrend if it was a running ABC correction. If it's more of an expanding ABC correction, then more likely they would make a lower high. And if it makes a lower high, then it would most likely take out structure, which would probably attract a lot of sellers. So if it does go down and break structure, keep an eye on these two fib levels because if it reacts to one of those two levels, there's a very good likelihood that is a wave C, and there's a very good likelihood it just keeps on trending up. So the trend is very bullish on the higher time frame. So definitely looking at any move I see to the downside is nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.